In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vivid AI image in Nanophoto AI using a custom prompt. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. This is the quickest way to reach the tool without needing a saved link. In the search box, type Nanophoto AI. Capitalization doesn't matter here. Google will understand the phrase and show you relevant results. Next, look through the search results and click the official Nanophoto AI link. You'll usually see it near the top. If you notice sponsored ads, just make sure you're selecting the legitimate site before proceeding. The official page should load quickly and present an interface with a clear place to enter text. If the site layout looks unfamiliar or cluttered with pop-ups, take a second to confirm you're on the correct page before moving forward. Once you're on the Nanophoto AI page, find the prompt field. A prompt is simply a written description that tells the AI what to generate. The clearer and more specific your prompt is, the better the results will be. For this demo, we'll use a playful, cinematic description that highlights action, mood, and setting. In the prompt box, enter. A tiny sunglasses-wearing baby confidently races a bright red Ferrari through a busy city, drifting corners, shocking pedestrians, and finishing with a flawless park and a proud clap. You can copy it exactly as written. Details like sunglasses, bright red Ferrari, and busy city help the AI understand style, color, and environment, while the actions guide the motion and story. After your prompt is in place, click Submit. That's the button that tells the system to process your description and create an image. Give it a moment to work. You may see a loading indicator while the model interprets your words. What you'll get is an image that reflects the key elements of your prompt: the tiny, confident character, the bold car, the dynamic city energy, and a clear finishing moment. As you watch the result appear, notice how the AI translates specific nouns, adjectives, and actions into visual choices. This is a great way to learn how phrasing influences composition, lighting, and storytelling. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, search for Nanophoto AI, open the site, enter the prompt, and click Submit. Thanks for following along, and enjoy exploring what your words can create.